My name's Ethan Williams, and in 2023, I founded an app called Sire that revolutionized the sneaker industry forever. But let's bring it back to 2019 where it all began. I was a reseller just like you, and my biggest dream was to have my own sneaker store or be the largest wholesaler in the world. But I dealt with so many problems within the industry that stopped me from getting there. Back before Sire was created, there was only Google Sheets, Apple Notes, major platforms like Shippo, StockX. There was nothing custom for a reseller, and there was so many companies that were out there just trying to be corporate, finding ways to improve the experience for the actual sneaker shopper, but not actually for the sneaker reseller. And that's exactly why I created Sire. I used my experience from being a beginner reseller, cleaning shoes out of my parents' basement, to having my own warehouse in New Jersey, sneaker botting, to hosting my own local sneaker event, and put all of that together to make the best app I possibly could for people like you and me. The first main issue that I solved was inventory management. And before Sire, there was only Google Sheets, Apple Notes, or just texting yourself the shoes that you bought at a sneaker event. What I did is made it so you can actually just scan the barcode on a sneaker and it will autofill all the information, as well as using an easy to use interface on your phone or computer to send lists out to your customers. Also, instead of using a bunch of Google Sheets formulas to try and mark your profits and sales, we made it so it's super easy to mark an item sold, go back, see all of your data, who you sold it to, how much profit you made, as well as an overall summary of what your monthly, weekly, or daily profits are. The next major issue that I felt as a reseller was shipping. Shipping was one of the largest expenses, and honestly, a couple years back, the only ways to really buy shipping labels were through major platforms like Shippo, Pirate Ship, or things like that, or just by using those Discord label plugs that always ended up getting your packages seized. So that's why I added a shipping component within Sire that allows you to get legit labels at lower prices compared to any of those major platforms, as well as an easy to use interface designed for the reseller. We also have a mobile app and one-on-one support, so in case any packages go lost or any issues, we actually help you instead of just being one of those corporate companies that just leave you on red. When I first launched Sire back in 2023, we had barely any connections. The only connections I really had were local resellers that I knew, and we had to start it from the ground up by going up to vendors at sneaker events, small local sneaker events. We traveled on Saturday and Sunday, making 10-hour road trips just to get our name out there. Now today, we're the official shipping partner of GotSoul and are officially the largest sneaker inventory and shipping software in the entire world. We've helped thousands of resellers and now work with top influencers in the space, and honestly for me, that's just a dream come true. And I would say the biggest reason why we've managed to scale to being the #1 leading software is because of our support and our onboarding. We've made it super easy to switch over from wherever you're coming from, whether it's for inventory, Google Sheets or Apple Notes, or shipment coming from Shippo or Pirate Ship. We designed the platform to be reseller friendly and look very similar to apps that we use on a daily basis. But I know that switching to a new app and learning all of these new systems can be overwhelming. That's why I put together a team that will help walk you through step by step on how to actually get started with Sire so you know exactly how to maximize the app. If you're ready to see why all of these resellers are using Sire and join the Sire family, all you need to do is fill out the form below and we'll actually assign a sales rep to speak with you and help you with that walkthrough process. With that, I hope to see you in the Sire app soon, and I can't wait to be a part of your reselling journey.